Hi guys, postman's bin. This should be the replacement heater element for my Antex soldering iron. This one, which died the other day, 18 watt. This is my favourite soldering iron. I can't remember how many years ago it was, but this was the one I had before, which is similar but not quite identical. Antex 18 watt. They're not quite identical. This one will be even older than that one. Yeah. That's the bit we need to replace. This one, as far as I can tell, is similar but a little bit shorter. Don't know if they're... Yeah, you could. So they're practically the same. What I'm not sure about is which element this will be of those two. It says CS 18 watt 230 volt element. I would think, I mean I haven't tried, but I would think that either of these body shells could take that. But that appears to be that one. I don't know, actually, that even that one looks a tiny bit longer than that one. No, it doesn't. That sinks in a bit further than I thought. Right, we will have a look. If I can find a screwdriver. Yeah. Oh, we need a flathead as well. Right, flathead to undo that bit. That's the bit that holds the cord in place. Oh, drop that on the floor. That's not a good start. At least I can see where it went. Right, so that's got to go on there. You can see which way round it goes, and of course we have to solder the wires onto there. So I need another one of my soldering irons just to be able to do that. Oh, just a point, these are a crazy price. This cost me over 20 quid. I misread the listing, my fault. It was something like 18 or 19 quid, and there was a £2 off offer that I forgot to click on, and then on top of that there was postage, so it actually cost me about 21 or 22 quid just for that. And at the same time I'd ordered a replacement soldering iron for 28 quid. So I've got one of them coming. It should have come yesterday, it hasn't arrived, so that's a postal or post office problem, Royal Mail problem. But I also ordered this so I could repair this one. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that one apart as well and have a look, see if we can see if it will fit in this one as well. But yeah, crazy price just to repair or swap the element on a soldering iron. I mean, you could buy a cheap soldering iron for 5 or 6 quid that'll do the job, may or may not last as long. Is that going to come out? Yeah, that's going to come out. That does look like it'd fit, doesn't it? So if I want to spend another 20 quid, I could get myself another one of them and repair this one. Okay, let's put this one back together and see if we can find a soldering iron. I have quite a few soldering irons, so it's just that this one is my favourite. Right, let's find another soldering iron so we can solder the soldering iron. Okay. Right, that appears to be done. So, come on, there you go. Done. Get that right way in. There's a little keyway there for it to go into. There. Screw back in. Okay, that's in. And that one into there. I don't know if you can actually get a replacement one of those bits. It's gone a bit dark, isn't it? Oh, that's annoying. Never mind. Right, and then that one. That's a very loose fit. I'll have to crush that up a bit, I think. Right, that's my original soldering bit back on there. Nice and tight. So we'll plug it in and see if it works. Okay, looks like we're back in business. Excellent. Yep, that looks good. I have quite a few little projects that I've been waiting to get this one sorted out for. So, there we go. The only thing we haven't done is sorted out that. What I did do is I put hot glue around it because hot glue's flexible, so I'll probably do that again. I have tried heat welding it and super gluing it, and that doesn't work. So it's just to reduce the strain when you bend it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.